Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon I am out at Lyle Oaks in Bartow at the DR Horton community. This is an express community, so everything you're going to see in this video, except the furniture and the artwork on the walls, is included with this beautiful home. This is our Denton model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,319 square foot, awesome, great room that I can't wait to show you. Let's go inside, shall we? Okay, so every express home is all tile in the wet areas. So we've got the 18-inch square tile in your foyer and in your kitchen and your bathroom. So let me stand back though. Look at this beautiful archway. I love that. Okay, and then this is the hallway that goes to the 3 bedrooms, and the owner suite is in the back corner of the home. And then we have our little hall table here, our furnace room, door to the garage. But check out this great room. Look at the size of it. You have your beautiful kitchen with this fabulous island, stainless steel sinks, and all your appliances are included. So Frigidaire self-cleaning electric oven with the range hood. Side by side, Frigidaire refrigerator with ice and water through the door. Check out this pantry. Maybe a little light would be good. Or not. Okay, so nice big pantry there. All right, dishwasher comes with the home, and the garbage disposal. So terrific dining space. All right. So if you are the cook, you can be part of all the action in the home. And there's your living room. And check out the sliders that lead to this almost 20 foot long by 8 foot lanai. All right. All this space, just terrific. All right, let's go see the owner's suite. Closets galore, closets galore. Nice large master bedroom. This is a king size bed, double window. You got room for another chair, a bureau, another bureau. Could have another armoire here if you wanted to. So plenty of space for your furniture. Linen closet. And look at this master bathroom. So double vanity, huge shower with a fiberglass surround. All right, potty in a room by itself. First closet. And look at this walk-in closet. Oh my goodness. It's almost another whole bedroom. It's huge. It's hard to get the scale of it, so I'll stand back. Check it out. All right, so let's head back out of the owner's suite, back through the living space. And again, just get a lovely view of this. And head back to the entryway. And let's go down the hallway. So down this hallway, we have 3 more bedrooms, and they're all about the same size. There's no fighting over who gets what. So we have the blue room. We have the pink room, or the Paris room. We have the gone fishing room. Gone fishing, how cute is that? Love the decorator style. And a spacious laundry room with your hookups there for your washer and dryer. And another closet, another linen closet that these bedrooms would share. And this is a full bath, but because this is a model, it's not finished as a full bath. But this would have a tub with a shower and a finished vanity. So this is the Denton 4.2, 2,300 square feet. This is Lyle Oaks in Bartow, and I have just a few of this model left in stock, so call me, 860-463-0875. Talk to you soon.